Hello everyone and greetings to our lecturer Dr. Khairunisa Kamarudin. My name is Eldora Abi from class R80-2321A would like to present to you about soilless culture, and I will be focusing on the comparison technology of soilless culture inside and outside Malaysia. So let's get started. But before I start, I will explain to you what is soilless culture. So, soilless culture is generally a cultivation technique of growing plants without using soil as a rooting medium. Soilless will usually be replaced by using water, sand, or coco-peat. The soilless culture is a modern technology applied mainly in the greenhouse that has been developed rapidly since 30 to 40 years ago, and there are few advantages in application of soilless culture. For instance, it will produce higher yields and quality, prevent problems related to soil such as soil-borne disease, fertility problem, and salinity. Soilless culture will also control over emission of nutrients and plant protection products. Now, let's move on to the difference of technology used in Malaysia and outside Malaysia. In our country, there are two types of soilless culture practices that are usually conducted, which is aquaponic and vertical farm. This aquaponic system is now being used in aqua farm that is located in highly cool area Kundasang Ranau, Sabah, while for the vertical farming, it can be found inside the shopping mall in Selangor, and this vertical farm is run by a company named Fami. As what we can see here, this is the Kundasang Aqua Farm. Here, vegetables are grown inside a greenhouse and use water as rooting medium. Aquaponic farming is a combination of aquaculture where they grow vegetables with fish and prawns and use the aquatic animal waste as fertilizer. Aquaponic farming produces vegetables that free from chemical fertilizer, which means it is safer than vegetables that are grown on soil that uses chemical fertilizer, and by using this system, the vegetable also will require shorter time to grow. Now, let us take a look in this vertical farming technology that is located in Selangor. Vertical farming is usually planted in urban areas since this technology can help to minimize the land use for agriculture, and it also can be conducted indoors. And for Fami Vertical Farm, they use LED light, and the LED lights were created with vegetable growth in mind. The green light gives the veggies chlorophyll, and the blue light helps the stem grow, and the red lights help the leaves grow. Besides, pesticides and other chemicals are also not required because the veggies are produced in well-controlled environment. For the soilless culture technology outside Malaysia, there are two examples that we can take a look, which are the vertical farming in modular indoor farm, which is located in Australia, and vertical farming that use hydraulic driven system. Both of these vertical farms applies the soilless culture. In modular farm, vegetables are grown indoor, which is inside a container that use technology of vertical hydroponic, which means they use water as root medium. They also make a partnership with the leading expert in plant science, indoor agriculture, and LED lighting to ensure the best quality of their product. Besides, vertical farm in modular use the LED light for plants need and use a cooling system to control the temperature inside the container. Lastly is the vertical farming that uses hydraulic driven system in Sky Green, Singapore. For your information, this vertical farm is the first farm that uses a hydraulic driven system in the world. Here, vegetables are grown using hydraulic driven system and rotates and provide sunlight for the growing through. As the other vertical farms, Sky Greens also utilize water as their growing medium. The vegetables are planted on various shelves that rotate throughout the day, allowing those on the bottom to receive water and those on the top to receive sunlight. Food production through this method uses significantly less water, land, or energy compared to the traditional farms. In conclusion, our country almost has the same soilless culture technology as the other countries. The most significant difference between Malaysia and other countries is the farm size, where here in Malaysia, the soilless farm is still in small size since we are still new in this technology. Before I end my presentation today, I would like to give some recommendations to encourage our country to use soilless culture. First, government can give subsidies to those who are interested to start soilless farm, and they also can educate farmers so they will know the advantages of soilless culture in agriculture. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.